In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoorDash credits. DoorDash credits are like free money in your account that reduce your order total. Think of them as a balance that gets pulled in at checkout. They typically apply to the subtotal and eligible fees, but they won't usually cover things like tips or certain restricted items. With that in mind, let's walk through how to make sure those credits are used on your next order. Start by opening the DoorDash app on your phone or head to the DoorDash website in your browser, whichever you prefer. A quick note, having a stable internet connection and the most up-to-date app version helps everything load smoothly. Next, log into your account. Credits are tied to your specific profile, so make sure you're signed into the correct account you use for ordering. If you're not logged in, your credits won't appear and they won't be able to apply at checkout. Now choose your restaurant and the items you want. Browse the menu, add your favorites to the cart, and check item details like add-ons or special instructions so your order is exactly how you want it. Take your time building your cart. Your credits will be ready when you are. When you're done adding items, tap View Cart. This is your chance to review everything, quantities, prices, and any delivery or service fees shown so far. If anything looks off, adjust it here before moving forward. Go to checkout. On this screen, you'll see your delivery details and payment summary. Confirm everything looks right so your order reaches the right place at the right time. Look for the section labeled Credits/Promotions. On the app, you'll usually find it near the order total. On the website, it may sit in the summary panel. This area shows any available credits linked to your account and how they'll be used. Your credits will automatically apply. You should see a clear line showing a deduction from your total. If your credits cover only part of the order, you'll see a partial discount. If you have enough to cover most or all eligible costs, the total will drop accordingly. If you don't see a deduction, it may mean you don't have credits available or they're not applicable to this order. Finally, tap Place Order. After you submit, your confirmation will reflect the credits used, and any remaining balance will stay in your account for next time. That's all there is to it. Simple, automatic savings whenever credits are available. Enjoy your meal.